In the entrepreneurial world, the value of networking cannot be overstated. It's a powerful tool that can open doors to new opportunities, provide essential mentorship, and foster valuable industry connections. Networking begins with building a solid foundation of contacts. This involves attending industry events, joining professional organizations, and actively participating in online communities. Building this network isn't just about meeting new people but cultivating relationships with individuals with similar goals and aspirations. Effective networking is more than just collecting business cards, it's about creating meaningful relationships. Being genuine and authentic in interactions is crucial, as this fosters trust and long-term relationships. To make these connections count, staying in touch is important, offering help and support when possible and reaching out for advice or collaboration when needed. Experienced entrepreneurs can offer guidance, advice, and insights crucial for navigating the challenging waters of entrepreneurship. These mentors act as lighthouses, guiding young entrepreneurs through stormy business seas, and their insights often stem from years of experience and learning from their mistakes. Industry connections can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and even funding opportunities. Furthermore, strong industry connections often lead to a chain reaction, where one connection leads to another, opening up a world of endless possibilities. Entrepreneurs like Sergio de la Canal insist on having a clear goal for each event, whether to find a mentor, seek potential partners, or simply learn from others' experiences. Preparing an elevator pitch and having a set of specific questions can help initiate meaningful conversations. Also, taking notes after each interaction can be beneficial for remembering key details and follow-up points. Online communities offer a platform for entrepreneurs to connect with peers worldwide. Engagement in these communities should be consistent and meaningful, contributing to discussions in a way that showcases expertise and genuine interest. Networking can lead to strategic partnerships that benefit all parties involved. These partnerships can range from co-marketing efforts to joint ventures, offering opportunities to expand market reach and share resources. Networking is a vital component of entrepreneurial success. It's not just about making contacts but building relationships that provide support, advice, and opportunities. In the end, the strength of an entrepreneur's network often reflects the strength of their business.